Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mindful Ascent. This evening we'll be doing another guided meditation. So find a comfortable seat. Open your minute tracker if you use one. I use Calm to track my minutes. And start by taking a few deep, long, nourishing breaths. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Do you feel your shoulders moving and releasing as you exhale? Picture the breath in your mind's eye like a calming wave, calming tide washing over your body and leaving it more relaxed with each breath. Now that you've had a chance to get some deep inhales and exhales and relax your mind and body a little bit, let's move into our practice and start the 10-minute timer. Now, if anything comes up while you're breathing, be it a mental thought, mental sound, mental image, or a body sensation, listen to whatever presents itself and acknowledge it. Continue with your deep breaths. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. Acknowledge whatever has presented itself. Watch it in the sky of your mind's eye and watch it float by and eventually fade away like a cloud. Meditation is a great practice which allows us to see the impermanence of all things, including the thoughts that come into mind, the images, and the sensations we might feel in our bodies. We just need to acknowledge them and allow time. You may find the more awareness you give the thing that presents itself, the faster it may fade, and the more spaciousness you will encounter. Now, take a few minutes to explore this yourself. Coming back to the breath, acknowledging whatever comes up, and allowing it to simply exist and be there. As you inhale and exhale. Are you able to feel and sense increasing spaciousness in your body? If you find that you are continually getting bombarded with new thoughts or sensations, just acknowledge that. Don't fight it. Allow it to be and continue observing them like clouds in your sky. Relax to their presence. Use your breath as your tool, a grounding tool. And feel your body growing heavier and heavier, more relaxed with each in-breath and each out-breath. Congratulations, you did it. You completed this 10-minute meditation. You're well on your way to cultivating that inner peace and immovable wisdom inside of you. How did the meditation for you go today? I'm really curious about your experience, so leave a comment, and if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe. I wish you wellness and peace, and until next time, namaste.